Do you want to know how you can log into your Igebra AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Igebra AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Igebra AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Igebra AI. Wait for a while and you can see that this page will load up. After the page loads up, scroll a bit down and you can see that this is the page you want to log into. And if you don't find anything to go ahead and log in, click on AI Ready School. It will take you to this page where you can see their offerings. Go ahead and tap on any of these and then it will take you to the separate portals where you can register now. So go ahead and click register now and it will take you to a separate portal where you can see that you can log into your account. So go ahead and write down your email address, your password and then click login. This way you can log into your Igebra AI account. You can see that this is the subversion of Igebra AI. You had clicked for this option of School GPT. So if you want to have access of Gen AI Master and AI for Teachers, go ahead and click View More, click Register and then you can log into your Igebra AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.